Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to replace your ignition coils on a 4.7 liter on our 03 Tundra today. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Hood release is on the driver's side knee kick panel. It's marked clearly with a hood popping open. Pull on that handle. The safety latch is to the right of the Toyota symbol. You'll feel a flat piece of metal there. Push up on it. 10mm socket, and you loosen up the mounting bolt. Just take that mounting bolt right out, put it aside. Now you just grab that coil and twist it and pull straight up. Now we can grab the connector a little bit easier, push on this tab and pull up on it. There we go. And then we have a coil. Here we have the new coil from 1aauto.com and the coil that we took out of our 03 Tundra. As you can see, they needed them. There was a hairline crack and they did some sort of like rubber repair here, maybe with RTV. That's a good band-aid to get you out of the woods, but you're gonna still have a misfire. So the coil from 1A Auto has the water seal. It's got the 4-prong with the lock connector, mounting bolt. It's identical. This says Toyota on it. It's a factory part. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below. Head on over to 1aauto.com. Before I reinstall the coil, I like to put a little silicone paste on the tip. That just makes a good smooth contact, and on the boot so that a little water resistant buildup. And then you're just going to slide her down in there. Line up the mounting bolt, push down firm. I'm going to click on the connector. Hear that snap? Grab my mounting bolt. And tighten it down. You just want it tight. Once it bottoms out, nice little quarter turn. Repeat this process 8 times on this 4.7 liter.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.